How to buy Panda Dao token at Pancakeswap. PDAO token is the core of Panda Dao ecosystem and will be utilized in most of their products. Open your Trust Wallet app. If you don't have it, you can download it at the Play Store. To be able to swap at Pancakeswap, you need to have Binance Smart Chain (BSC) balance from your Trust Wallet app. Scroll down to the bottom and click on the Browser tab. It will prompt you to this page and then just scroll down again and click on Pancakeswap app. It will prompt you here, click on the logo at the upper right hand and make sure to select Binance Smart Chain, then click on the drop down button under Select a Currency. Copy the contract address of PDAO token at coingecko.com and paste it here. Then click on the Add button and click on it. You can now fill out the form under From, type the exact amount of BNB that you would like to swap. Make sure not to use all the BSC available from your wallet as it will be used for the transaction fees. Set slippage to 6%. Then click on the Swap button. Click on Confirm Swap button. It will prompt you here with all the details, the transaction fees and the total amount that will be deducted from your BSC balance. Then just click on the Approve button in order to confirm your transaction. Stay on this page for a few minutes until you will see this prompt that you have successfully swapped. Then click on the Close button. You can check on your PDAO balance, and the one that I have just swapped was already added to my PDAO balance. You can also go back to your main dashboard and check your PDAO balance. That's all. Have a nice day.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell button. That would be greatly appreciated.